Hi, I'm the Woodpecker today. I will show you how I carved this ugly Santa.
Last year, I made this snowman as a Christmas gift to Renée. I turn it with my fancy lathe. This year, I'll try to carve a Santa Claus. To start, I take 4 pictures of a Christmas lawn ornament. I use it as the model for my carving. After surfacing and gluing pieces of poplar together, I plane the bottom straight and sand it. Then I plane one side smooth. I make patterns using the pictures as guides. Using both of them, I mark the center of the sculpture. Using a straight hole from a piece of scrap, I drill the center of the bottom. 3-board stick was too much. On the table saw, I make a cut on both sides of the block. I try to cut the rest on the bandsaw, but my 1/2-inch blade won't cut anymore. So I do the rest by hand. I end up with a really uneven surface, so I plane it smooth. Now I cut the other side. I cut the rest without any effort. After gluing the patterns on the block, I realized that I can see the outline well enough. So I trace a new line around it. With a smaller blade and a lot of patience, I cut one side of Santa. After, I use packing tape to hold everything together. Then, cut the other side. After peeling the outside, I end up with a rough Santa shape. Now I can start the carving. I begin by removing the corners. My mallet has broken in half, so I'll need to make another one later. I continue with my bigger mallet. I also carve by hand. Then I try to carve some details. It's right about now that I notice that my carving skills sucks. I continue anyway. At least I found a radio station playing only Christmas songs, so it's less depressing.
You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, nasty stone.
After a while, I realized I can't do any better. It wouldn't have been so bad if I didn't end up with a blister in the center of my palm. I spray 2 coats of shellac to seal the wood before starting to paint it all. I start with red because it's the most prominent color. Then come the white.
Weather outside is frightful, but that fire is delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I paint the boots, the belt, and all the rest. I check with the picture to see if it looks even remotely like Santa. I even try my hand at some details. I just have to laugh after seeing how bad it is.
We finally say goodnight.
To finish it off, I spray 4 coats of clear lacquer to give Santa a shiny look. I need to make a wooden screw so I can put it on my staircase guardrail. I screw it and put this thing on it. Just look at the teddy bear details in Santa's bag. I think I should stick to Antarctica Christmas decorations. I'm better at that. At least I also make Renée another Christmas gift. This step stool, which will be my next episode. And I'm such a good guy that I even let her adopt the ugliest dog alive. Here's my Santa's carving. Sorry to have wasted your time, and see you next time for a better episode of the Woodpecker.